Welcome. We're going to go over rolling on the floor. We're looking at rotations, specifically rotating through the upper spine and then rotating through the lower part of the spine. Now, your spine is meant to move. It is meant to flex. It is meant to extend. It is meant to laterally bend. It's also meant to rotate. When we do these rotations, I want you to feel how that rotation moves up through your spine. We're not just twisting in the waist. We're using that full length of the spine. And if you want to learn more about doing rotations with the spine, message me or check out some more of my videos because I do have more videos out there. All right, let's get right to it. So laying down on the ground and I'm going to lay here on my mat. I want you to watch my legs not doing anything. My legs are relaxed. They are heavy. You're going to take your arms out to the side. You're going to lift your right arm up, lift your head, reach across. Now you're going to get to a point and be like, I can't go any further. Use that strength. Reach all the way over to those left fingertips. My legs aren't doing anything. Yes, they're moving, but they're not helping. We're going to do that 2 more times. Right arm lifts, reach across, all the way across. Roll right back. 1 more time. Lift. Yes, your head needs to lift while you do this. Okay, if you keep your head on the floor, it makes it exponentially harder. Other side, left arm, lift, reach across. Now you're going to notice one side way easier than the other side. Totally normal. That's fine. Just notice it. Remember, we're not analyzing it. We're not judging it. Just notice. 3 times on this other side. Reaching across, and that's it. Now, also lower body, okay? So we're going to take this into the lower body. Upper body stays relaxed. Bend this right knee, bring it up, take it across. Again, that rotation moves all the way up through your spine. You're going to feel a bit of a stretch. This isn't to take your leg and pull, okay? We're feeling for that edge of the stretch. Breathe into it. Space with your inhale, softening with the exhale. You're likely going to feel a bit of a stretch through the front of that right shoulder. This one we hold for about 5 or 6 breaths. Bring that leg up. Left leg, we're going to alternate here. Take that left leg across. Again, you're going to notice a difference from one side to the other. Notice it. Don't analyze it. Just notice it. Breathe. Bringing that leg up. 1 more time. Right leg goes across. This time, as it reaches across and you feel that stretch, turn your head and look towards your right fingertips. Okay, use your eyes, move your head, breathe. Bring that leg back up. Other side, left knee up, left leg goes across. Turn, look towards your left shoulder. And again, notice where this may feel different. Don't analyze it. Don't judge it. Just breathe and notice. Coming back to center, and that's it. All right. If you have any questions, please drop them below. If you're interested in learning more, I've got tons of videos. There's also this Substack page that has lots of articles on there, and it actually does have classes. If you'd like to take an online class, that's a subscription. But for $7 a month, it's a pretty good subscription to get all of those classes that you can use anytime you need them. Either way, I look forward to seeing you or working with you again.